Dongguan KEDI Craft and Gift Company Limited was founded in 2015. Located in Hojie Town, Dongguan City, enjoys convenient transportation. It takes only about 2 hours drive to Hong Kong and 1 hour's drive to Shenzhen, Yantian Port. Dongguan KEDI Craft and Gift Company Limited is a professional manufacturer in producing all kinds paper products, such as photo albums, notebook, gift boxes, and packaging boxes. They believe that quality and honesty is only way to survival for a factory. We have all kinds of professional machines, including die cutting machine, paper cutting machine, hole punching machine. Our workers are experienced with about 5 years working. We welcome each customer visit our factory. They have passed FSC and ISO 9001 2015 certification. They also worked with W.H. Smith, the famous supermarket in UK, for 5 years. This also proved that Dongguan Kedi Craft and Gift Company Limited can be your reliable supplier. Many guests who have purchased their product are pleased with their service, communication, and the product qualities. Just an amazing experience. This is my second order with these guys, and it is just incredible. The communication, support, and the quality are just totally outstanding. Definitely recommend. One of their buyer, Daniel, said this. Dongguan Kudi Craft and Gift Company Limited welcomes every purchaser, sending inquiry to them. Kudi, your reliable supplier.